Keeping your lab samples secure and traceable is easier than you think. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure that your lab maintains a robust chain of custody process. Let's dive into setting up a foolproof chain of custody process. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your samples and ensuring reliable results. First things first, you need a chain of custody form. This form is the backbone of your process, documenting every step the sample takes. This form records every transfer of the sample, from collection to final analysis. It acts as a detailed log that can be reviewed at any time. Make sure it includes details like the sample ID, which is a unique identifier for each sample, date, and time of transfer, which helps in tracking the sample's journey and the names of the handlers. This ensures accountability at every stage. Next, establish clear procedures for each step of the process. This includes everything from how samples are collected to how they are stored and analysed. Start from sample collection. This is the first step where the chain of custody begins. Ensure that every sample is labelled accurately with all necessary information. This prevents any mix-ups or misidentification later on, and immediately logs into your system. This creates an initial record that can be referenced throughout the sample's life cycle. Use barcodes for efficiency and accuracy. Barcodes streamline the process and reduce the risk of human error. During transport, samples should be sealed securely to prevent any tampering or contamination, and accompanied by the chain of custody form. No shortcuts here. This form travels with the sample to ensure continuous documentation. The form must be signed by everyone who handles the sample, confirming custody at each stage. This creates a clear trail of responsibility, confirming custody at each stage. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the sample. In the lab, have a designated storage area that's secure and organised. This area should be monitored and access should be restricted. Only authorised personnel should have access, ensuring that samples are not tampered with, and each transfer within the lab should also be logged. This adds another layer of security and traceability. Finally, keep an audit trail. An audit trail is a comprehensive record of all activities related to the sample. Regularly review your chain of custody records to identify any discrepancies or areas for improvement, and address any gaps or issues. This proactive approach helps in maintaining the reliability of your lab's processes. This ensures the integrity and reliability of your results. A well-maintained chain of custody process is essential for credible and reproducible data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your lab's chain of custody process is both effective and efficient. A clear, concise chain of custody process ensures your samples are secure and your data is trustworthy. Happy testing! With these practices in place, you can confidently handle your samples and produce reliable results every time.